Okay, my name is Hans Brunner. I'm a mortgage banker and a mortgage broker, and I'm here to show you why my fees as a mortgage banker and broker are higher than the big banks. How do you like that? Here we go. Now, this is a personalized mortgage plan, and our advice makes a difference. This is true. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to share with you, I'm going to walk you through my total cost analysis that I do for every one of my clients. This happens to be Joe the plumber, and he's allowed me to share this with you. So big bank, we're going to get a $300,000 loan at 5% interest, 30-year fixed, payment is $1,610 a month. We're assuming no mortgage insurance, and the total cash to close is $2,975. This is basically about the cost for a refinance with no points. Now, option one with me, $300,000 loan. I've got $3,525 in closing costs. I'm about $550 more expensive than most of the big banks I know. Now, that's just because I disclose all of my fees. Look at my option one. It's going to cost you $3,500 and it's going to cost you $550 more to close, but my rate is 4.75%. Well, what does that mean? That means that my payment on a $300,000 loan is $46 a month better. So now you say, well, that's really nice, but I like the low fees. Okay, great. So let's take a look over here. If I move over to option two and we raise the rate to 4.875%, still a 30-year fixed, $1,588 a month payment. It's $23 a month in savings, and my costs just went down to $2,025 because I got a rebate from the bank that we're selling the loan to, and I've applied it to this loan. It's a half a point rebate. It's $1,500 in this case, and so we took $1,500 off the top. So the rate's better, and now my fees are better. And option three, if you take a look, you've got a 5%, $300,000 loan, $1,610 a month payment. The net savings is zero, and the total cash to close is zero. So now my fees, if you look at it this way, basically, if you look at it this way, I'm saving you about $3,000, $3,000 savings. And over here, if you focus on just the costs, then my fees are higher, about $550 higher. I guarantee it. But I'm happy to be the first one to raise the rate a little bit and get rid of a huge chunk of my fees here. So there you go. That's it in a nutshell. Now, one of the things that I do as a certified mortgage planning specialist is I work a little bit harder and show you also on my total cost analysis. See this green arrow is pointing to 84 months analysis right here. So we're going to take the same loans that I've shown you, and we're going to project them out for 7 years and see what the total cost, total payments, balance of the mortgage left, and your total final cost and your net savings. So in all of my options, even when you're paying more in fees, you're saving $4,600 over 7 years. Over here on option two, you're saving $3,500, and your payments are better and your fees are less. And over here with the same rate, you're still saving a little bit. So kind of feels like option two is the best. But I do this for every one of my clients. I'll take a look at every single one, and give me a call if you need good, honest advice and advice that makes a difference. Here's my telephone number. This is my eFax number. It's also my toll-free number. You can hit me at www.asktheloanman.com or email me hans@hansblog.com. I hope you're having a great day. This was prepared on June 16th, 2010, and there you go.